All right, good morning. I needed a few things from Walmart. I got me some potato chips, and I got me some dip to go with it. Got me some milk, and I've been wanting a chocolate cake, and I got some pancake mix, and I've been wanting some fish. So that's what I got. And I got me some bread, and I've got me some strawberry jam to make me peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And then I'm on calcium for my bones. and I got me some cookies. I've been wanting some cookies. So this is my haul today. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all have a blessed week. Thank you.